Hello, welcome back to Garden Fever, and today we're doing the tip of the month for January 2018. Today's January 2018 tip of the month is on recycling old stuff that you wouldn't normally think to use, you can use for the garden. For example, small plastic cups, cut holes in the bottom, they can use as starters containers. Same with old yogurt. I would normally eat it, throw it away. If you like yogurt, cut holes in the bottom. Make sure you cut holes because they're meant to hold in moisture, and they can make a good container for starts. You can also recycle old ones from your nursery, stack those up, and then just throw in some soil, and they make good starter little starter containers. Reuse them. Also, I reuse my baby's baby food. And I store my herbs and my seeds and things like that in those. So those are some quick tips on how to reuse some articles that you wouldn't normally think to use that you can reuse. And one more thing I want to talk about. I want to talk a little bit about your potting mix that you use for your indoor plants, or not so much the potting mix, but advice about it. A lot of times we spend a whole lot of energy in our outdoor gardens, which is good, but we don't pay a whole lot of attention. A lot of us will sometimes neglect our indoor plants. The amount of soil, I say soil, but I mean potting mix, and compost that you have inside your house will deplete over time. The plant will eat it, so you need to replenish that. Just take a handful and throw it in every once or twice a year, and you're good. Sometimes not even that, just once a year. Anyway, and another thing I'd like to encourage is change it up. I know we find the most ideal, or what we believe to be the most ideal bag of potting mix or compost that we'd like to give our plants, and that's good and all, but I find that in life variety is a good thing, and I believe that also with plants. Growing them in the same soil, feeding them the same stuff all the time, in the long run they're missing variety of other types of things. So mix it up. Don't always do the same thing. Find a group of ideal bags of potting mix or compost cocktails or whatever. Anyway, this is Corey Lefevre. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any ideas, share them. Put them in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Until next time.